Soon I'll be changing my car's tires for the first time myself because of the stupid inflation. I decided to invest in a very high quality torque wrench and tire changing set because I don't have any tools at all. I invested in this German quality product and brand called Gedore RED mit mein eigenes Geld auf Amazon. Let's see what you get for your money. Ich setze alles auf Rot mit Gedore. I feel like Jack Sparrow opening a treasure box here. Ist das geil. Look at this. In this set you have literally everything that you need to change your own car tires. You have here to loosen the nuts in various sizes. And here you have the torque wrench with various adapters, and there you have the ratchet to loosen the tires. But why I really think Gedore is my personal choice is because of this certificate that you get. A German Prüfzertifikat where the calibration of the torque wrench has been tested. So you can always, according to the factory specifications, have the right torque on the nuts of your tire. So you don't over torque them, but also not too less. And that way you can be safe. And this is, I think, one of the most important things. So if you want to buy a torque wrench yourself, make sure that you get one of these certificates. I'll let you know in the next video how it went and what are the pros and cons of this product that I've purchased. Germans are the best when it comes to quality and they make no jokes or compromises. Look at how clear the setting of this torque wrench is and how fine-tuned you can set it to make sure that you have the right torque specifications. In Deutschland hergestellt. Made in Germany. When in doubt and wondering what's the right torque wrench to buy, go for quality German brands such as Gedore, setz, Vera, and many others. And then you can never make a wrong choice. Because when it comes to quality and torque wrenches, you have to make no compromises. Alles geil.